Alright, y'all. This one is for Tyler Brent. I might as well go ahead and do this. If this isn't what you were wanting, because I don't think this is a clean view helix. I mean, it might be. I mean, that's pretty well what it looks like and all that, but if this isn't what you wanted, definitely let me know, because I want to do things right. So here we go. And that pretty well concludes it. I of course hope everyone did enjoy that, as well as Tyler. So tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll say what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this one, as well as many more types of vacuum content. And until next time, bye.